you see, I'm grinding my class, and because these guys actually give us tons of XP, so I can just grind my superhuman right here. Like, you know, I'm rank 200 level 201 here. Like, yeah, let's go quickly. Okay, someone requests for my shadow. Maybe later. Trade fences. What is that? 205? I want to fight the boss to grind level, but the boss actually despawned, so I can't do so. Is another annoying thing that the boss despawned. I'm not a person to buy boss respawn. Ice only. What? 3 soldiers. I think a few more quests should be okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Superhuman is actually not good with Buddha, because beast outbounds. Using Buddha, you cannot do the effects. You cannot do the combo with it. You can just rush with it, so it's not that good with Buddha. But now I'm grinding level, I don't really need that skills. Just use it for running. So I think it's good. Hello? I got a PvP. Oh, okay. It's my problem. My problem. I never thought it was my problem, you know. Okay. Let's see. Forgot quests. Wait, is he gonna take my things? Because I'm grinding. He's gonna... Okay, he left. That's a very funny situation. Interesting. Boom. We get a kill. Yoink. Okay, 216. It should be quick for us to grind for Thunderclap. Let's go. $280. 18. Nice. 90. Okay. Doing very well. One more. Two or one more. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Thunderclap. Okay. Let's see. Beast outbounds. Yo. Beast outbounds. Boom. 3,600. Thunderclap. 3,700. Beast outbounds. Oh my god. Okay. This is God Human, and we got it. Okay. Oh, so X, you need to hold X to be powerful. Okay, let's try. 4K? Okay, let's try Thunderclap. If we hold, what will happen? Let's try. Ooh. Oh, he disturbed it. Okay, let's try. Okay, 3,800. That is okay. Well, that's cool. Let's see what people offer. covering shadow, ball, Spidey. Okay, here we go. Buddha, please. No, I don't want Buddha. I'm not sitting there. Not sitting there. Definitely not. He's still using love. I got you later. Until person sit here. What's Sunny doing? What's my friend? What are my friends doing? Doesn't have enough space. Doesn't have enough. Okay, never mind. I'm not trading with you. Ah, come on, man. Why you want Buddha, bruh? Why you need Buddha? Why? Why you want Buddha so much? Just go spend it. Just go spend it. Boom. Woo! Actually, I like God Human. I like God Human so much. Is nobody gonna trade here? Okay, he's trading. Why is this guy here? Join my trade, bro. Yes. Okay. What? Oh, I know you have. So what? So what? You think I don't? He really thinks I don't. The problem is I have. Spider, rubber. Let's see. Oh my god, no Phoenix, bruh. You see my last videos? Phoenix is kind of annoying, bruh. Give me trash. Give me trash. Bye. No, sir. Nope. No. Don't think about it. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Time is not very much. We don't have much time left. Okay. To chill. Our goal is to chill today. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, you have spider. Apologize. Nope. Torch. Okay, let's wait. Oh god. I don't have trash fruits, bruh. I don't have trash fruits, bruh. Dang it. Sharkman. And Joe. Okay. Where's my stuffs? Where's here? Okay, let's take it back. Okay, well, today I unlocked Superhuman, Thunderclap, and this cool, and also this Beast Outbounds. Well, hope you guys like my videos, and remember to subscribe right now. And also, I'm hosting a giveaway when I'm 120 subs, so please subscribe to and see my community post to join the giveaway. Well, I'll see you soon, I guess. Bye.